In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Google Workspace using Google Chat. We'll start in the Google Admin Console so you know you're working with the right app settings. Open your Admin Console and look for the section where all your Google services are managed. Find Google Apps, which is where administrators manage product level settings across the organization. From there, choose Chat. This confirms you're focusing on the right tool and helps ensure your workspace is set up to use chat effectively for team collaboration and task tracking. Next, head into Google Chat and open Spaces. Tasks in chat live inside Spaces, so make sure you're working in the space where the conversation and the work belong together. Click the space you've already created for your team or project. Choosing the right space helps keep tasks visible to everyone who needs to see them and keeps updates tied to ongoing discussions. Inside the space, look for the Assign Tasks option. This is your entry point to creating a shared to-do that the whole space can see. Select Add Task to Space to start a new task. In the task window, type a clear action-oriented title. Keep it concise but specific, so it's easy for the assignee and the rest of the space to understand what needs to happen at a glance. Good titles reduce back and forth and make reporting simpler. When the title is in, choose Assign. This is where you connect the task to a single owner. Select the user who will be responsible for completing it. Assigning one owner avoids ambiguity and makes accountability clear, while the rest of the space can still follow along and contribute in the chat thread. If timing matters, choose Add Date and Time. Adding a due date helps with prioritization and sends helpful reminders in Google's ecosystem. Be mindful of time zones if your team is distributed, and pick a date and time that gives the assignee enough runway without blocking downstream work. Once everything looks good, click Save. The task will post in the space. The assignee will be clearly identified, and the due date, if you set one, will be visible to everyone. This keeps work transparent, ties tasks to context, and makes it easier for your team to stay aligned. To recap, you confirmed chat from the Admin Console, opened your target space, created a task with a clear title, assigned it to the right person, optionally added a date and time, and saved it so the whole space can track progress. That's all you need to confidently assign tasks in Google Chat within Google Workspace.